Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This is your sacred space to remember who you are, to reconnect with your worth. Let's begin. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the ground beneath you. You are safe. You are supported. With each breath, come back to now. Now is where your power lives. Place your hand on your heart. Feel your heartbeat. This is your rhythm, your essence. Now imagine soft pink light blooming in your chest, warm, gentle, radiant. You are love. You are loved. You always have been. What voices have made you forget your worth? The doubt, the guilt, the shame, they are not yours. With every breath out, release them. Imagine the weight lifting, melting, clearing until you're light again. You don't need to earn your worth. You already are enough. Now, repeat with me, softly, in your mind or out loud. I am worthy. I am enough. I am love. Feel the resonance of those words. Let them root in your body. Let them fill every cell. You are coming home to yourself. Now rest. No effort, no pressure, just presence. You are safe here. Safe to feel. Safe to just be. Let this stillness become your sanctuary. Take one final breath, gently return to the room, and carry this love with you. Thank you for showing up for yourself. This is Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, be gentle, be true, be love.